What is up? Today I am going to be reviewing my toy. Like my brother reviewed his, I'm gonna review mine. Wait.
Oh yeah, you guys, go watch my.
Okay, guys. So
go watch my video. Sorry for interrupting about this. My review on this bad boy right here. And yeah. So. Sorry for
okay.
interrupting, but bye.
Okay, so this is the box where I got my toy. And this is the back of it. Wait, let me see what it says. It says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but Dinosaur World. And I know you guys watch my videos and you see I have 2 subscribes. But since I have this, that might make me feel a little better. Because this is where I got my toy at, in the front. And what does this say? Truck, car, I don't know, truck, car, case. And when I saw this box, I thought it was my dino stuff, and I thought it was really gonna be that, but when I saw it, it wasn't. So I went to go back on my Xbox because I was sad, but at least I got a toy. Bobby back. Sorry for pausing it. It's got me a little bad. So I wasn't doing my box. Now I'm about to review my toys. Okay. This is a Stegosaurus. It's little. I know why you guys think it's little. I know you guys wish it was big. Well, I do have a big one. But let me keep it in the video handy. Alright. I don't know what the heck this is called, but just calling this Dinosaurs. And yeah. I don't even know. Oh, this is called an iguana. Iguanosaurus. So this Iguanosaurus has, I figured the iguanas have some good moves. I found out iguanas, I'll put that right there. Sword. Gang. Oh, this camera. This camera keeps falling. So, as I was saying, iguanas have good moves. Oh my gosh. Gang. Oh. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Alright. So. Oh my gosh. Just keep falling. Alright. Alright. So. Oh my god. Alright, it's still cool. So, iguanas have real cool moves. This is Titania. Think you can tell because of the spikes and the wacky tail. Titania's, they're strong. With this wacky old tail, this ball tail, Titanias are strong. Brachiosaurus. I don't know why he's looking back, but these are the tallest dinosaurs I ever saw in my life. Well, pterosaurs are longer because they can fly, but on the ground, this is the highest one. This is Triceratops. His horns are really hard, and I don't want to mess with him because I feel like my chest, my heart, gonna be squished in parts like that noise gonna make, and I don't like that noise. When I hear that, I only hear it coming from slimes. I don't want that happening to my brain or heart. What is this? Alright. Where to go? I don't know what dinosaur this is called, but I'm going to just call it a Carnotaurus. So this Carnotaurus, he's real fast. And, yeah, they have cool moves. Their tail is fast. They're always fast. Every time they get in the battle, they're fast every time. Okay. Now, this is what the dinosaurs came in. Look. It can open. Dinosaurs in there. Well, you can put cars in here too. So, let's see. This is the side we just opened. Second side. These are for dinosaurs and cars too. And this truck, got it from this box. I know, like you guys say, this truck is longer than this box. Well, let's see. Let's see if you're right or wrong. If you guys think the truck is longer than box, well, let's give it a hint. Does it look like the truck is faster? Is longer than the box? Well, the box is cool, I gotta admit, but the truck is better than the box. My brother's bringing it up because that's garbage. We don't need that. What are we gonna do with it?
Just like your mixtape.
What we're gonna do is play what's in the box, put it right in it. We're gonna be scared, gonna kill it with a knife. But this truck, this is the longest thing I have in my house on the ground. Okay, that's gonna be the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wait, I have one more thing. These wheels are really hard. Ouch. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.